how to enable Crossfade on Spotify. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the Spotify Crossfade feature and customize the transition time between tracks. First, open the Spotify app and go to the Home, Search, or Your Library tab. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner and select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Playback. Here, look for the Crossfade option. If it's currently set to 0 seconds, Spotify will switch from one song to the next without any transition. To enable Crossfade, simply drag the slider to your preferred duration. For example, setting it to 3 seconds will gradually fade out the current song while the next song fades in, creating a smoother listening experience. You can adjust the slider to find the transition length that works best for your playlists and music style. That's it. You've successfully enabled Crossfade on Spotify and can now enjoy seamless song transitions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tricks.